Hi, today we're going to talk about how to create a boundary from a shapefile. A boundary may be imported from a shapefile stored on a USB. Load the shapefile onto a USB and plug it into the console. Open the Field menu and select New Field. Touch on the client name box, touch New and tick. Enter the client name details using the on-screen keyboard, followed by the green tick. Touch the farm name and enter the farm details, followed by the green tick. Next, a field name has to be created. This is done in the same manner. In this example, we're going to call our field South 40. Confirm with the green tick. Select Field, then Boundary from Shapefile icon. Touch USB button to change browse location, then the USB Home button. Note the blue background and the words USB at the top of the screen. Now touch on Clients, and Topcon, then Agriculture, then South 40. Now touch on Boundaries, then South 40 Shape, and green tick. Your boundary from Shapefile has now been created. You may need to use the magnifier at the top of the screen to zoom out to see it all. And that's how you create a boundary from a shapefile. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.